All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about this Chrysler 300 that was in Monday's video with a high RPM miss. Well, I figured I would do a video on it because, well, a bunch of comments were about it, so I figured I would go ahead and just shoot a video about it because it's still in the shop, and you can only see a little bit of it, but I'm sure some of those guys can tell what's wrong. Yep, it's got a flat lobe. Now, on this vehicle, let me put this down. Now this Chrysler 300 with a 6.4 in it, it originally came in with running poorly on startup and coolant loss. This is a aftermarket warranty company paying for these jobs. We were authorized only to do the head gaskets. That was it. So that's what Bam Bam did. We didn't know about the high-end miss on one cylinder because it had a blown head gasket. Pretty obviously failed. The chemical test it failed on, so we knew it had a bad head gasket. We didn't know about this problem. Engine made no noise, which is odd, but it made no noise. So don't ask me why. I just didn't make noise. So it came back. Obviously, Bam Bam has torn it down. The warranty company has authorized camshaft replacement, but unfortunately, we found the cam bearing is damaged. Now, according to the inspector that came out and looked at the car, his thing is if those cam bearings are damaged, they're going to do engine replacement. So we're waiting for the inspector to come out and actually inspect the cam bearing, verify that it's bad, and then get the company to authorize engine replacement. So that's where we are. I figured I would do a whole video about it because I get tired of typing the same thing over and over again. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. And just a side note, we kind of figured that way anyway. We had to prove it.